Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today we are going to be doing a huge ASOS haul. Now I don't know about anyone else, but I feel like I have a real love-hate relationship with ASOS. Like, the stock on there is either really good or really shit. So luckily this January it has been good, which has fueled all of my online shopping habits because I'm just trying to avoid the fact that it is just so dull and grey out there. So I feel like a lot of my picks are quite bright. So without further ado, we are just gonna get into the haul. Okay, so the first item that I have to show you I have already worn. It's the kind of coat that's just like a perfect everyday coat, and I also went on a trip to Disneyland and I really wanted to bring it with me. So it's had a couple of outings already and it's safe to say I am fully in love with it. It is this lovely coat from Mango. It's going to be quite hard to show you on screen because it's quite a like floppy material, but basically it is just a camel brown coat and it has this tie detail which I really love. So I've seen this coat on a few people's Instagrams, and then when I was on the ASOS website I saw it was down from something like 120 to 80 pounds, and I thought, okay, now's the time to get it because all the sizes were in stock. I'm not sure what the stock is like at the moment, but anyway, I absolutely love this. It looks so much more expensive than it is. It literally makes any outfit look a lot better than it actually is. Like, I've just been wearing this with like a big chunky knit, either jeans or like leather look leggings, and then boots and trainers. You can wear this with all different colours, neutral colours, bright colours. So yeah, I'm really happy with this, and I feel like this is one of those coats that I'm gonna keep forever because these coats never really go out of fashion. And just for reference, I got a size small in that, which I think fits well because I like to put things like jumpers underneath it. I can't remember the exact price. Like I said, it was around £80, but I will pop all of the prices on the screen for you. My next purchase I did also wear. I've just been really bad at like saving this haul because I haven't really had time to sit down and like film it, so I've just been wearing all the clothes. Anyway, we have this jumper which you may recognise if you watch my mental health videos. I did wear this the other day. It does match my hair very well. So neon seems to be coming back with a vengeance. I saw this little number on there, which is a jumper from Misguided. So I have this exact jumper in like a brown colour. It's just a big slouchy jumper and I absolutely love the fit of this. I absolutely love the colour of this, like with my hair. I feel like my winter wardrobe has been like chunky knits and trousers and a big coat in the day, and then just like if I'm going out, wear a nice shirt and jeans in the evening. So yeah, anyway, it's nice to spice things up with a little bit of neon pink. I got a size small to medium in this, which is plenty big enough for me. It definitely does come up oversized. Okay, next up we have probably like my favourite co-ord ever. I've known about this denim brand for a long time, and when I saw this on the ASOS website I was just like, okay, this is so extra, but I need it. I was thinking like this summer festival vibes as well when I bought this. So basically we have a denim jacket and it is completely covered in diamantes, like literally they're everywhere. So it's a crop denim jacket. I really like the light colour of this denim. It feels really good quality. I mean, Liquor and Poker always do really good denim. I got a size 8 in this and I feel like it fits well on me. We've got a little bit of a frayed hem at the bottom here, and it's just so cool, like paired with the trousers. Let me show you. So they are like a mom jean style. Again, I got a size 8 in these, I think. Yeah, size 8. Oh, I just love these. They fit really well on me. I love the style of them. They're called like stepped hem, I think, because they've got this stepped hem detail. I think if you don't want to be too extra, you could wear these jeans with like a nice bodysuit and a blazer on a night out, or equally you could wear the jacket with just some like leather look leggings. I think if you're gonna wear diamante encrusted denim, then personally I want to go all out. So next up are a couple of bits that I actually got to style with that co-ord. I don't actually own any lace bodysuits, so I picked 2 of them up from ASOS. First of all, we have a black one. Let's get it out. to show you. Lace bodysuits give some really nice detail to an outfit. I absolutely love this one. So, I mean, I can't really say much else other than it's a lace bodysuit, but it's a really nice one. I was thinking when I ordered these to go like for my bra size, and I'm a 30C just in case you're wondering, but that means that the waistband is very, very small, which means the whole bodysuit is very, very small. I do like the fit of this, but I'm debating whether to get a bigger size. You guys let me know what you think. And then I also got the white one. I love, love, love white to make you look like you've got a tan. Same issue with this one. Don't know whether to size up or not, but I really, really love bodysuits like under blazers for a night out. But just obviously remember to wear something on your nipples for this white one because it is pretty see-through. Okay, next up we have some hats. So I wasn't sure whether they were going to be the exact same colour, and I don't think they are. I think they're slightly off, but I ordered this bright neon beanie because I think it was so cheap and because I wanted to pair it with this. This one is a slightly darker neon to this one, but you know, they're pretty similar, and I may be able to work my editing magic skills and make them look more similar in a photo. And then I also just picked up this pink bobble hat. I absolutely am loving this kind of mauvey baby pink colour at the moment, and this I think was really, really good value as well. It's just like a cable knit with a pom-pom on the top. I'm kind of preparing myself for snow again this year because I feel like it always comes around March, so I'm stocking up on my hats now. Next we have some shoes, and I am so in love with these. So I saw these amazing Western style boots that everyone was wearing from Topshop, but they're leather and I try and avoid wearing real leather. So I then saw these on the ASOS website, and they're sock boots. I've always wanted some sock boots. So they're like a black Western style boot, and yeah, the heel kind of just goes in like that. They look like they're going to be really comfy, so I'm super excited to try these on. I got a size 4 in these, which is my usual size, but I feel like I may have to size up because usually with pointed boots I am a size bigger, so I don't know why I didn't order these in a size 5. But anyway, yeah, I feel like these are going to go with everything. You can wear them in the day because the heel isn't too high, and then you can go out in the evening in them as well. I'm absolutely obsessed with these, and they were so much more affordable than the Topshop ones. And then for my final purchase, we are back to the neon. I picked up this, I don't know, is this a neon green? It's kind of a limey yellow colour. Anyway, this caught my eye because it was in the new in along with that pink neon jumper. This is a hoodie from Monkey, and oh my goodness, it is huge. What size did I order? Medium. So I do like my hoodies oversized. This is very oversized. This is probably the one item from my haul that I haven't already worn out. But yeah, I saw my friend Kate recently actually posted this amazing picture of her in this neon oversized hoodie, and I was like, okay, yeah, we can see if that will work. I don't know. What do we reckon about pink hair and neon green? I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to see how oversized this is as well, because as you can see, it is massive. It feels like really good material. I absolutely love Monkey. After rediscovering them over Christmas, I did like a massive Monkey haul. Yeah, I'm so glad they're on ASOS as well, and they're sustainable. This is made out of organic cotton. Such a great brand. So guys, that is it for my ASOS haul. Hope you like the bits that I picked out. A bit of a random mismatch of things, but hey ho. I did also order a load of wedding outfits on the ASOS website when I was doing that shop. So I was thinking of maybe doing like a wedding haul. If you're interested in seeing that, just let me know in the comments below. It seems to be coming up to wedding season because there are loads of really lovely wedding pieces on ASOS. Also, let me know in the comments below if you want me to do hauls from any specific shops. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you do smash the thumbs up if you did, and if you're new here and not already subscribed, then now is your chance to click the subscribe button down below, and make sure you have my notifications on so it lets you know when I have uploaded. But at the moment my upload schedule is Mondays and Thursdays at 5 PM. So I will see you in Monday's video, and until then, goodbye.